SERV Stock Analysis Friday update. Am I buying? I'm covering all this in this short 1-minute video. So with SERV Robotics sitting a good $8.57, good 11% up. What the hell is happening next though? Nothing crazy, bro, but I'm still open to the bullish idea. Yes, seems like we got one break, but one break is not enough. Really not enough. Like at least two. And guess what I'm gonna do? I'm not gonna just like randomly start buying, but what I'm not gonna do is just I'm not even gonna buy or sell here. It just needs to give me more bullish momentum in order for me to pull that trigger, obviously towards the bullish side. But this is just me following a strategy that I've refined over 4 years and tested thousands of times, and it just comes over time. And if you want to shortcut that, click the first link in the description. There is a free course. All reviews are 5 stars and you can check it out for yourself. See you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy. Nothing more to talk here.